Hi, welcome to In Front of Computer. I am Uttam Kumar, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about parenting. Okay, parenting is very important. For that we can add a character first to understand it better. We can just create a head. We can also create the body. This is the body, and we can also add legs this time. Okay, the character looks weird. Don't worry about that, because we are not learning how to draw character. It's about learning about parenting. So their eyes, and this is the face. We need hand, right? Okay, we can create hands. 2 hands is enough, I think. If you want more, then you can draw. Okay, this time you can think about this character. If this body moves, then all the parts of this body should move. So how to do that? So here we will parent everything to the body. If I see this body layer here, we can rename it body. This one is body, and we can just move it on the top. Now we can just select all the layer and accept this body layer, and here you can see this parent big whip, and then you just hold the left click and parent it to the body. Now all the layers except the body layer is the parent, and other layers are the children layer. Okay, this time if I move this body, now we can see that all the parts of the body are moving. Amazing, right? But here, if you think about the head is connected with eyes and face. So if the head moves, then the eyes and face should move. So we need to parent it again. So if you think about this character, if the head moves, then the eyes moves. If the body moves, then all the parts of the body moves. So the head will move. So here, if we move the body, that means the head move, and if the eyes and face are parented with this head, then the eyes and face will also move. Okay, let's see that. Select this, and this is the head. Just we can rename it head, and you can just move it on the top. Now you can see that this parenting here, it is parented with the body, the head. We can see this face. This is the face, but face top of this head, right? So you can just move top of the head. Also the eyes, you can see this eyes, you can select both of them, and then just move it on the top. This time we are not going to rename it, to save some of our very valuable time. Okay, so here these 3 layers will be connected or parented with this head. So how to do that? If you go here, and you can just click, and you can select here head to parent. You don't have to just hold the left click and parent it. Just you can select here, go there, and select the layer you want to parent. Anyway, if you don't see this parent, then just right click here, go to columns and make sure parent and link is marked. If they are not checked, then you won't see them here, parent and link. Okay, now in this time we want to add animation to understand it better. So if the body moves, then all the parts should move. So we can add a position animation here, just a very simple. Everything is moving fine. Now if I play it, okay, very fine, right? We can just set it to auto. Or just quarter to render it faster. And this time we want to move the head. So here we can add the rotation effect. If I move this anchor point here to here, so that it rotates from this point, and we can add simple animation. In this time it will be rotate a little bit, okay, right? And in this time it will go back to the same position as before. So this time if I play it, okay, it's taking some time, don't worry. You can see that it's moving the head, and when it's moving the head, then the eyes and face are moving. This is how you can use parenting. Suppose I want to add a text here, this head, and this time I just want to scale it down. Now if I parent it with the body and play it, you can see that the body is moving and also the text head is moving. What about if we add this head, here, this text, this parenting to head instead of body, then what will happen? Okay, so here you can see that the head is moving. Yes, it's moving, but in this time the head is rotating, so the text is also rotating. I hope that you understand parenting very well on Adobe After Effects, and you can use it many times on your project. See you in the next tutorial.